Okie dokie, welcome to the next video. So I am basically rating all of my old videos and all of my old artwork out of 5, 1 being the worst and 5 being the best. We're looking at composition, lighting, materials, performance and cinematic. So today we're looking at drone flying. So this was done a while ago. If you can hear my dog in the background, I do apologise. He's clearly chasing something. So yeah, we'll start this. So that's little old me from way back when. You guys still have that t-shirt somewhere, Back to the Future, absolute legend. See that we've got the miles per hour as well. That drone was fast. That drone could do a lot. It was actually restricted by law because it wasn't built for the law that they had. It was basically a very early drone and it could do practically anything. It was all singing, all dancing. It couldn't do flips or any tricks or anything like that. It wasn't that type of drone, but for cinematic stuff it was really good. Yeah. The shots on this were absolutely amazing. This was its maiden flight, if you want. Absolutely amazing. This grass was really tall as well. There's a little bit of blowouts in the back, but I'm guessing that's the type of camera that it had. Cinematography though. It actually crashed. Someone that I know had it, and apparently it had an argument with a tree. I've never been able to fix it. I do have a secondary drone. It's pretty good. It's an next drone up from it, so it's a little bit better, but yeah. This drone crashed into a tree. I don't know how, it had sensors all the way around it, so how it crashed into a tree I will never know. But apparently it was an onboard computer error or something. It just reset mid-flight. Although it was a second-hand drone, so it's probably taken a couple of bumps and knocks. But yeah, I definitely wanted to fly it directly over this pond, this lake even. But my friend advised me against it. But yes, this is me flying all of this. Absolutely amazing place. I think you can see my friends down there. I had some great fun with this. Video quality is not too great, but it is what it is for the time. Awesome. I think this was pre-COVID. That lovely fly over the lake. I flew over the lake. I did. And my friend was like, no, don't fly over the lake. And I was like, I want to fly over the lake. Like, I want to see what's on the other side. He was like, don't do it. You won't get it back. Flight time wise, it was pretty good. It was pretty good. For sure, it was good. Its top height actually exceeds the legal amount that I'm allowed to go. So that you could only go like so high. Look at that view though. I could have gone higher. I could have gone so much higher. Like that drone had so much capability. so nervous of taking it out because you get like so many people going, I'm allowed to fly here, blah blah blah, and it's just like, if I wasn't here, if I'm here, then clearly yes, you know, it's, unless I'm flying around somebody's building and flying into people, I don't think there's any concern. Yeah, as long as I'm not hurting anybody by doing it. But yeah, you can see the feet right here, it's like 279 feet. Oh, sorry, that's distance, the height even 313 feet. Yeah, you can see like everything, you can see the canals and stuff. I do love the descent with this, it's absolutely amazing. I was on a park one time, I did get bothered by somebody whilst doing drone work. He kept following me. Like, he would follow the drone and then try and figure out where the operator was, and you could see him on the drone doing it. Like, you'd go to one side of the park and he'd be like there within a couple of milliseconds, like looking around and stuff, and I kind of came to realise that this guy's looking for the pilot, which would have been me. Yeah, a very interesting day, very interesting. And then the guy saw that I was with a group of friends and he decided not to come over, and I think that was the kind of reason why he didn't. I don't know what he wanted. He never came over and said anything, so yeah. And there's little old me. I was on a public pathway. It was actually a bridle way, so I had to watch out for horses and stuff. But yeah, I would probably rate that a 4 out of 5. Given the video quality and what it was back then, that was probably the best that I could do. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little flying video that I have. And I will see you in the next one. Tell me in the comments how you would rate this video. Yeah. I hope you have a good day. Bye bye.